Dear students, today's my topic is flexible budget. In this type of question, how you will classify all the different items of cost such as fixed cost, variable cost and semi-variable cost, how you will identify these items. For example, for production of 10,000 electrical automatic irons, the following budget expenses are given. These expenses are given as per the per unit rate is given, but the base unit or base items or base irons are 10,000. These data are given as per 10,000 irons, means we will calculate flexible cost as per 10,000 iron basis, because in this type of question, in flexible budget question, we will suppose we will take a base unit and here our base units are given. It can be in the form of percentage or items, etc. Here are direct material given. This is a variable cost expenses. Direct labor 30 rupees per unit. Variable overhead. This is a nature of variable. Fixed overheads rupees 1,50,000 means 15 rupees per unit. It means these items are all over or total fixed nature. So we will include in fixed category. Variable expenses direct variable category. Selling price 10% fixed. It means total selling price rupees 15 and 10% of this price is fixed. It means 15 into 10 upon 100. It means 1.5 rupees of 15 is fixed and 13.5 per unit is variable. So we will classify it. Administration expenses 5 rupees per unit and 50,000 rigid for all levels of production. As per rupees 5, for 10,000 units 50,000 rupees we will consider, and 50,000 is given rigid. So this 5 rupees is we will consider this is as total fixed cost. Distribution expenses 20% fixed of rupees 5. It means this is again a nature of semi-variable or semi-fixed expenses. Rupees 5, 20% of fixed. It means 5 into 20 upon 100. It means rupees 1 is fixed and 5 minus 1. It means 4 rupees is variable cost. And total cost is given 160. And in this type of question, we will calculate, prepare a budget for the production of 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 and for 10,000 data is given. So we will also consider this 10,000 irons and maintain a total cost. If selling price or selling cost is given, sales is given in this question, then we will also consider profit or loss. But if sales is not given in the question, then we will calculate only total cost. So let's begin to do this question. So first, we will write heading of this question. So first, we will write the title of this question. It means flexible budget. Now we have 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 and 10,000 irons. So we have 4 columns and 1 column for particulars. So we have taken here first column for particulars or information, this column for 6,000 irons, this column for 7,000 irons, this column 8,000 irons and the last column for 10,000 irons. So we will write here particulars means detailed column, then 6,000, 7,000 irons, 8,000 irons and the last one is for 10,000 irons. First, we will divide here only in 2 parts, variable and fixed, and you can also divide it into 3 parts. Variable cost. Variable cost, it's a combination of all the variable expenses. So first we will take direct material at the rate of rupees 60 per unit. direct material at the rate rupees 60 per unit. So this is given variable cost as per vary or as per differ from unit to unit. Per unit rate is given, so we will multiply direct material 60 rupees from different units. 60 multiply 6000 for 6000 irons. So 60 multiply 6000, then we will calculate and we will get rupees 3,60,000. Then 60 multiply 7,000, we will get 4,20,000. And then 60 multiply 8,000, we will get 4,80,000. And then 60 multiply 10,000, we will get rupees 7 lakh. So in this manner, next variable expenses is direct labor at the rate of rupees 30 each. Next term is direct labor at the rate of rupees 30 each. So we will multiply 30 into each unit. So 30 multiply 6,000 units. So we will get 1,80,000. 30 multiply 7,000, we will get 2,10,000. Then 30 multiply 8,000, then we will get 2,40,000 rupees. And then last one is 30 multiply 10,000. It means 3 lakh rupees. So in this manner, we will again find the value of variable overhead at the rate of 25 each. Variable overhead at the rate of rupees 25 each. So we will multiply 25 into 6,000, 25 into 7,000, 25 into 8,000 and 25 into 10,000. So 25 into 6,000, then we will get the value rupees 1,50,000. 25 into 7, then we will get the value of rupees 1,75,000. Then 25 into 8, then we will get rupees 2 lakh. And then the last one, 25 into 10,000, it means 2,50,000 rupees. And the next term is fixed overheads. Its total price is rupees 15 per unit and total amount rupees 1,50,000. 15 multiply 10,000. For the calculation of fixed overhead, we always multiply per unit price to total base unit. Base unit 10,000 given. So 15 multiply 10,000, it means 1,50,000. This total amount is in the nature of fixed nature. So we will not consider here. We will consider in fixed part. Variable expenses 5 each. So the next item is variable expenses at the rate of rupees 5 each per unit given. So we will multiply 5 into 6,000. It means 30,000 rupees. 5 into 7,000, we will get 35,000. 5 multiply 8,000, we will get 40,000. And 5 multiply 10,000, then we will get 50,000 rupees. Then the next term is selling price 10% fixed of 15 rupees. It means here in the question of 15 rupees, 10% it fixed, it means 1.5 rupees is fixed, and the remaining value is 15 minus 1.5. It means 13.5 is in the nature of variable. So we will consider in variable part. If you will divide total cost into 3 parts, then you will consider selling price in the category of semi-variable. Then in that part you will divide it into 2 parts. But I have taken only 2 parts here, fixed and variable. So selling price 13.5 each in variable portion. So I have taken selling price at the rate of 15 minus 10% fixed. So it will come rupees 13.5 per unit. So we will multiply 13.5 into different units. So we will get 13.5 multiply 6,000, then we will get 81,000 for 6,000 units. 13.5 multiply 7,000, so we will get 94,500, and then for a category of 8,000 we will get the amount of rupees 1,08,000, and for last column 13.5 multiply 10,000, then we will get 1,35,000 rupees. So now we will take the another item. I will increase these lines. So the next item is administration expenses, rupees 5 per unit. For 10,000 unit, it will calculate for 10,000. Then we will get rupees 50,000, and total amount is rigid for all the production. It means 50,000 total amount, and we will get again 50,000. So these two are equal. So we will consider administration expenses in the nature of fixed because these two terms are equal. And the next term is distribution expenses. This is again semi-variable nature. Of rupees 5 is total amount, and 20% of this 5 is fixed. So 5 rupees 20%, it means 1 rupee is fixed. So the remaining value rupees 4 will be calculated for the nature of variable. Distribution expenses we will consider here for variable part. Distribution expenses at the rate of rupees 5 minus 1 means 4. We will multiply 4 for different units. 4 multiply 6,000, then we will get the sum of 24,000. Then 4 multiply 7,000, then we will get 28,000. Then 4 multiply 8,000, then we will get 32,000, and then 4 multiply 10,000, we will get 40,000 rupees. These all items are for nature of variable. So we will total here it. So we will total it. Then we will rename it total, naming it variable cost. We will consider A category, total variable cost, and we will total all the variable expenses. So for 6,000 units we will get, and this total is rupees 8,25,000. I have already calculated it. And for 7,000 category we will calculate it, and the amount and the total is 9,62,500. And for 8,000 units its total will come 11 lakh rupees, and for 10,000 category its total will come 13,75,000 rupees. So we will done almost half question. So now we will take fixed cost portion, and we will calculate semi-variable part also. So we will write fixed cost. Okay, this is our heading. First heading is variable cost and the next heading is fixed cost. Now we will take what is fixed cost and what are the items of fixed cost. So 1, 2, 3 is not fixed overheads rupees 1,50,000. It will always remain same for all the levels and all the activity, but it will rigid for 10,000. But first we will consider is as 10,000 units because these are our base units. Fixed overheads 1,50,000 for each items. So first term we will take fixed overheads. The same amount will come in all the columns because fixed cost always remains same. There will no effect of capacity 1,50,000. Okay. The next fixed nature expenses is selling price or 15 rupees total and 10% of this 15 rupees is fixed. Selling price, it means 1.5 is fixed. So we will take an selling price at the rate rupees 15 at the rate and 10% fixed. So 10% fixed means 1.5. So first we will multiply 1.5 into 10,000. So we will get rupees 15,000 for 10,000 units and this amount will remain same for all the capacity. There will no impact for production. 10,000 base unit is given. So first we will consider for 10,000 and then this amount will remain same for all the columns. Then we will take next item. Next item is administration expenses. 50,000 rupees. This all amount is rigid. So we will take administration expenses. 50,000 is rigid. It means this is already calculated. So we will take this amount in all the columns 50,000 rupees. Now the next or last item is distribution expenses. Total amount 5 rupees. Of this amount 20% is fixed. It means 5 into 20 upon 100. It means 1 rupee is fixed. Distribution expenses. So next or last term is distribution expenses. Total amount at the rate of 20% fixed of rupees 5 per unit. So 1 rupee we will get and 1 multiply 10,000. First we will do 1 multiply 10,000. It means we will get 10,000. This amount will remain same for all the irons. 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. This is the last item for fixed cost. Now we will total it and the total of this total fixed cost. Then we will total this column and the total of this column is, so we will total it. I have already totaled it. 2,25,000. This will remain same for all the columns because fixed costs always remain same. 2,25,000, 2,25,000 and this one is 2,25,000. Now we have calculated already total variable cost and total fixed cost. In this question, sales is not given. So we will calculate only total cost in this type of question. So total variable cost and total fixed cost, both items combination is known as total cost. So we will total it. total cost. It means A plus B's. A plus B means total variable cost and total fixed cost. The total of both is known as total cost. So we will total of both columns. Then we will get 10,50,000. And now the total of 7,000 column is, we will total for both columns total variable cost and total fixed cost, and the total for 7,000 unit is 11,87,500 rupees. And now for 8,000 unit is, and the total of this column is 13,25,000 rupees. And now we will total for 10,000 irons and total of both columns, and we will get the amount of rupees 16 lakh. So this is known as total cost, and we will found total cost in this question. If sales volume is given in the question, sales is given in the question, then we can calculate profit or loss. If this value is not given, then we can calculate only total cost. So this is the solution of this type of question, and if you have faced any problem, then you can ask me by your comments. Thank you.